Hello guys, watch this video till the end because we have a small surprise for you.
Hello guys, today in this video we are going to unbox new OnePlus Nord C. So please, watch video till the end to find what's new feature OnePlus Nord C have included. It's new. You get the smartphone, its TPU cover, a SIM tray ejection pin, some reading material and stickers, and a OnePlus 30T warp charger with a standard red cable that comes with every OnePlus smartphone. Material and OnePlus Nord C 5 grams mobile was launched on June 10, 2021. The phone comes with a 6.43-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels at a pixel density of 410 pixels per inch, PPI, and an aspect ratio of 20:9. OnePlus Nord C 5 grams is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 750 grams processor. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The OnePlus Nord C 5 grams runs Android 11 and is powered by a 4500 mAh battery. The OnePlus Nord C 5 grams supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the OnePlus Nord C 5 grams on the rear packs a 64-megapixel primary camera with an f/1.79 aperture and a pixel size of 0.7 micron. An 8-megapixel camera with an f/2.25 aperture, and a 2-megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 16-megapixel camera on the front for selfies with an f/2.45 aperture and a pixel size of 1.0 micron. The OnePlus Nord C 5 grams runs Oxygen OS 11 is based on Android 11 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The OnePlus Nord C 5 grams is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM mobile that accepts Nano SIM and Nano SIM cards. The OnePlus Nord C 5 grams measures 159.20 x 73.50 x 7.90 mm height x width x thickness, and weighs 170.00 grams. It was launched in blue void, charcoal ink, and silver ray colors and weighs 170.00 grams. It was launched in blue void, charcoal ink, and
Dun.